Welcome to Star Aspect Designs. This week we are going through a 3-bedroom design that focuses on minimalism with plenty of outdoor living. We want to minimize on the internal space so we can provide more outdoor space where you can sit and connect with nature. The structure is very minimalist in nature and a rectangle for that matter. And as I stated in earlier videos, a rectangular structure equals a cheaper building and a straightforward roof. So you can be sure that that structure will be quite easy to construct and cheap. As usual, we are going to begin at the main entrance. So as you approach the building, this is what you see. This is the outdoor space that I was talking about at the terrace. So we've provided a lot of space in this outdoor area so that you can sit and have that airy feel and conduct most of your business in this section, because we are trying to minimize the area within so that most of the living can be done out here. At this space here, there is a dining section which can also be a work area. You can use this table as an office, and right there you have your cooking area. Basically, this is an outdoor kitchen. You have your grill there and your cabinet space down there and some shelving. Then of course you have your fireplace there, because if you want to continue sitting here in the evening, then that will sort you out. The space is very airy. As you enter the main door, that's what you see. The main door leads you into the lounge. And as I stated, minimalism is the key to this design. So the internal space is as minimal as possible to ensure that you have a cheap building, to ensure minimalism, and also ensure that you will definitely utilize the outdoor space. So from the lounge there, and then you get into the dining, and the dining is interconnected to the kitchen, which you have right there. And of course from the kitchen, then you get outside into the kitchen yard. And I continue stating, the gas, I will always provide a space for it outside, just to ensure that in case of a leakage, the occupants of the house will be safe. Then of course you have your laundry sink right there. And if you want to make this kitchen yard bigger, you are definitely free to do so. So let's continue there. After the dining and the kitchen, you get into the corridor, and the corridor right there, the first section is a bathroom where you have the shared shower, toilet, sink. So this bathroom is shared by these two bedrooms right there, this bedroom and that bedroom. And of course we have the sink outside for general utility. Then along the corridor there is also a storage space that you can use for whatever you like, but I'm envisioning maybe a shoe rack. And as you proceed there's the first bedroom, and then the second bedroom right there. And at this end here is the master bedroom, en suite of course. So once you enter there, that's what you see. And then you have the bathroom right there. So this particular structure is very minimalist. As you can see, it occupies 86 square meters. So for a 3-bed, that's very efficient use of space. And that's why I stated that this design is a minimalist design, but then we focus on outdoor living. All right, there you have it. Thank you for joining us on this design tour. I hope to see you in the next video. And please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, live large.